It's Friday, February 13th, and severe weather is likely for parts of the southern United States. So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And this is my afternoon forecast, as I already uploaded a video this morning. But I just figured I wanted to give you guys another update, so let's jump straight into it. So we do have a marginal risk for today. So if you live from Fort Stockton up towards Wichita in Kansas, be aware for possible hail. The main concern is going to be hail and severe thunderstorms. So there's going to be potential for hail and severe thunderstorms. But the potential for severe thunderstorms will mainly be if you live inside of this area. So, yes, there's going to be potential for some severe thunderstorms if you live in this green area tonight. And hail. So tomorrow, which is on Valentine's Day, we do have a slight risk for the Houston area. Between Houston, it goes from Houston, Shreveport to New Orleans. Just like this. Boom, boom, boom. And it includes anywhere in that yellow area. And then you got the marginal risk going around it. So we got a slight risk and marginal risk for this one, so make sure you be staying aware. Don't freak out, though. And this is what our tornado risk is looking like for that. So we got tornado risk. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. So we got tornado risk tomorrow from Houston. It travels from Houston over there towards New Orleans area. So make sure to be staying aware, especially if you live in this 5% tornado risk. We also do got a 2% tornado risk going around it, where there's going to be a potential for tornadoes, just not as high as the one that's brown. So this is nothing too crazy. Just be aware. And then as we go into Sunday, February 15th, we do have a risk if you live in this green area. There's going to be a potential to see some severe weather, maybe a brief spin-up tornado, but the main concern will be severe thunderstorms. That's if you live in New Orleans, Mobile, Dothan, Montgomery, Tallahassee, Jacksonville, and Orlando. So that's why we got that risk. And we're also going to be seeing some excessive rainfall out of some of these storms as well, possibly. So that's if you live from Midland, Texas. This is for today, all the way up there towards Joplin, Missouri. There's going to be potential for excessive rainfall. And we also do have a slight risk for excessive rainfall on Valentine's Day, which is from northwestern Louisiana up there towards Jonesboro, Arkansas. So make sure you be staying aware for that. And then even as we go into Sunday, on February 15th, we do have another excessive rainfall risk that it does include Atlanta, a lot of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, all of South Carolina, North Carolina. There's going to be potential for excessive rainfall. And because of all this, this is how much rainfall we could be getting out of this. So it seems like central Arkansas may be seeing the most rain out of this, though we could also see a pretty big chunk of rain in these areas. And then we also do got the chance of rain for tomorrow, which actually increases if you live in this area. The rain actually may make it up pretty far up there towards central Ohio and central Indiana. And then as we go to Sunday, the risk remains mostly on the east coast of the United States. It does not include the northeast, though. So that's what's going on with the rainfall. So you guys probably want to know what the future air is probably going to look like. So this is what the future air is looking like. So right now, the storms aren't here. It might be by the time you're watching this video, but I'm making this at like about the current time right now is 3:01 p.m. Eastern. It might be a different time once the time I upload it. But you can see that we have some rain out here in Arizona and New Mexico. That's eventually going to transition to some thunderstorms, and that could be hail producers or severe wind producers out here in Oklahoma and parts of western Texas. We could actually start seeing them turn into a line of thunderstorms as we get into Valentine's Day, mainly for this area. So that's why we got that risk out for Valentine's Day. You can see right there. And what's wrong with my drawing? But yeah, that's just what the future radar is going to be looking like. The storms are also going to move into Louisiana, Mississippi. I wouldn't say the severe weather risk for this area isn't. I don't think it's that high. Okay, Atlanta, you guys don't have to be worrying about this. Just be aware for maybe some lightning, maybe some excessive rainfall and stuff. But yeah. But as you guys can clearly see, we can actually see some rain as far north as up here. On the 14th and 15th possibly. So yeah, mainly on the 15th. And anyways, that's all I wanted to update you guys with. We're also going to be seeing some snow in a lot of parts of California. Quite a lot of snow, even up there towards Idaho and stuff like that. But that's pretty much what's going on with the weather right now. And I think we probably got some snow out there right now. Let's check out one of these traffic cameras. Okay, that doesn't work. Anyways, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next weather update video. I also made a short on this that you guys can watch. But yes, the SPC has upgraded this to a slight risk. I'll see you guys in the next weather update video, and I highly recommend watching Max Velocity or Ryan Hall, y'all, if they go live during this. See y'all later. Bye.